This is going to be a very short version of the two frame drawings of a seagull skull, a bone, seagull skull here, bone there, seagull carcass, from sketches I had done on site on the beach by Dunnotar Castle near Stonehaven, south of Aberdeen, Scotland, 30 years ago, 1987. So I have the two sketches somewhere. One of them I just found a little while ago, but didn't see the other one. The second one, and these I did in the studio flat where I lived and did my art during the International Artist in Residency at the Aberdeen, sponsored by the Aberdeen Art Gallery back in 1987. All right, there you have it.